Are you looking to grow your business online? Facebook ads are one of the most powerful tools to reach your ideal customers and increase sales. First, Facebook ads give precise targeting. You can show your ads based on age, location, interests, behavior, and even purchase history. This ensures your message reaches only the people who are most likely to buy. Second, Facebook ads are cost-effective. Unlike traditional advertising, you can start with a small budget and still get high-quality leads. You pay only when someone clicks or engages with your ad. Third, Facebook ads help increase brand awareness. Even if people don't buy immediately, repeated exposure to your brand keeps you top of mind and builds trust over time. Fourth, measurable results and insights. Facebook ads provide detailed analytics. You can track clicks, conversions, engagement, and ROI, and adjust your campaign to improve performance instantly. Fifth, Facebook ads help you compete effectively. No matter the size of your business, Facebook ads allow you to compete with larger brands by reaching your exact audience online. Facebook ads are more than just ads. They are a growth engine for your business. Start using Facebook ads today and turn clicks into loyal customers. Subscribe for more digital marketing tips and tricks.